How to manage live notifications on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage a live notification on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and then click here, and now click this one here, account settings, and then click notifications, and now click this one on mobile, and as you see now you will see this one here. And now all you need to do is just click here if you want to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it, and as you see live has been turned on again. And that's how manage live notification on Twitch. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.